Hi, I'm Rita. I've been a working artist for well over 25 years now. I've painted a lot of birch trees over the years. Today I'll demonstrate how I paint my abstracted birches in a quick and easy demo. Stick around to the end and I'll show you some of my birch paintings and where they've ended up. Let's begin. I'm doing this demo in my sketchbook and starting with a quick abstracted background. On my palette I have titanium white, unbleached titanium, raw umber, cerulean blue, yellow ochre, and some black. I'm using some very well-worn brushes because I love the marks and texture they create. I'm also using a few pencils for mark making. For the trees I'll be using a round brush and a palette knife, and I'll list everything in the description. Keeping in mind that this is an abstracted landscape with birch trees, as I finish the background, I'll add a hint of a horizon line between land and sky. Now that the background is dry, I'm going to start adding the trees. I like to use odd numbers for the trees and place them how I feel they will look best on the page. I've done many birch paintings as commissions, and it was always fun to see how some people had exact numbers of trees that they wanted in their paintings. As I paint the base layer of each tree with black, I twist the brush in my hand. This eases up on the control I have over the brush and creates a natural tree shape. I let this first layer of black dry completely. If you like this video, consider subscribing. All the black paint is dry. I used a hairdryer off camera. And this is where I come in with my palette knife. I mix raw umber and unbleached titanium, but not too much mixing as I want to see each color on my knife. I then paint onto the black tree shape, working from the outside and using the edge of the palette knife. I use short strokes and it creates the look of the birch bark. There are so many ways to paint birch trees, but this is the way I developed for myself. This is how I do it. But you can certainly experiment and try different ways of doing this for yourself. Please let me know in the comments if you've ever painted birch trees. I'd love to hear what you're up to. Now that this layer has dried, I'm going in with another layer, mixing more titanium white with the unbleached titanium. I go over the trees in the same way, with the paint loaded onto the side of my palette knife, using short strokes and going from the outer edge in towards the center. If I was painting a canvas, I would go back and forth between layers until I was satisfied with how the birch bark looked. I'd also finish it by adding a glaze of raw umber and acrylic glazing medium to pull the whole painting together. But as I'm in my sketchbook today, I'll finish this painting at this stage. And here is the finished page. Thank you for staying to the end. I started painting my birches in 2007 and I'm grateful to have sold so many. My gallery, Art Interiors, showcased them well and they went out for use in the media. I was thrilled when I opened an issue of Style at Home magazine and found my painting inside. They've shown up in many more galleries, paint brochures, and even on TV shows. They've also been featured at other galleries. Today, I only paint them on a commission basis. Hey, let me know in the comments if you happen to own one. Thanks for watching.